In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a favicon on Squarespace. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in the browser tab next to your site title. It might seem small, but it really helps your brand look polished and makes it easier for visitors to spot your site when they have lots of tabs open. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Squarespace and how to upload your favicon file so it shows up correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and that you're on the correct website if you manage more than one. From there, head to your main Squarespace home dashboard. This is the screen where you see options like pages, design, commerce, and so on. We're going to work entirely from this dashboard. Next, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. Settings is where Squarespace keeps most of the behind-the-scenes controls for your site, including things like site language, business information, and what we need today, the favicon. Once the settings panel is open, find and click on the section labeled favicon, or in some versions, it may appear under a website or branding section. This area is specifically dedicated to managing the little icon that appears in browser tabs and bookmarks. Inside the favicon settings, click on the button that says Add a favicon. If you already have one in place, you'll see the current image, but you can still replace it by choosing to add or upload a new one. Now click on Upload File. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your favicon image is stored. Ideally, this should be a simple, clear icon, often a square image like 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixels, saved as a PNG, ICO, or JPEG. When you've located the correct file, select it from your device. Once the file is finished uploading, you should see a preview of your new favicon inside Squarespace. To make everything live, click on Save. This is an important step. If you forget to save, your changes won't be published. After saving, give your browser a moment, then refresh your website. You might need to clear your cache or open your site in a new tab to see the new favicon appear. And that's all there is to it. Your Squarespace site now has a custom favicon.